Hey everyone, new week, new crowds. So let's check out. I'm starting here on the Strip and then heading towards Levante Beach. See how many people are left on this new week and how many has left to go back to work when the holiday is done. Over here we got Waikiki Beach, Waikiki Bar. It's quite some people around still. The Ambassador Hotel. And next door we got several bars over there. So we're gonna check those ones out. Quite a hot day, 35 degrees it is. And the sun is quite scorching around, no clouds at all. So if you're here on holiday it's beautiful, but for me living it's quite hot. I prefer it a little bit cooler. Got the wild duck. Nice atmosphere over here, definitely. Nice in the sun, plenty of fans around. Up there, we got Western Saloon. Let's have a look over there, how it is going. Just past 3 p.m, so time is quite alright. Someone racing by. Few people in there, but you're nicely in the sun or in the shade. You can choose by yourself. Beautiful sitting out here, and if I look at over there above Hotel California and the Crown Pub, you can see those flags waving in the wind. Thinking about quite some wind over there and at the beach we're heading to next, so let's find out over at Levante Beach how busy it is and how windy it is today. Because if there's quite some wind, then the hot temperature doesn't matter that much, of course, because the wind will keep you cool. Insomnia's closed. It'll open up later, I think. Usually does. Let's walk a bit through the Strip. First on, we get to Avenida Filipinas with all the palm trees around. Got the bridge station, the Red Lion as well. There we are, got the bridge station on the opposite. And over here, Hotel Presidente, Golden Arcos as well. There's a nice bar down here. Let's have a look at there. Don't want to wander around too long out here in the hot sun, so I'm heading towards the beach soon. Oh, nice crowd over here. The opposite of the meeting point. Some people in there as well. Pretty nice, but for now calm looking day over here. Might be everyone is at the beach, so let's find out that. Got the Red Lion and the busy bridge station. Bucket of Amstel, $7.50. That's quite alright for pricing. And a pint is €2 of Amstel. So definitely alright pricing over here. We'll keep an eye on it so it goes down more, because after the summer holidays have ended, sometimes prices drop again. Or it could be they wait until November, after the fiestas then, of course. That is when we kick in a bit of a slower period, until Christmas is coming. Christmas holidays always make sure Benidorm is completely packed over here. It's a beautiful time to visit as well. Last year we had temperatures during the Christmas holidays of 24 till 28 degrees. So that is lovely. the Mediterranean. Could do a bit of a walk over here as well. Let's get across the road and then towards the right. There are not that many bars over there. The only thing we have is 4 jacks. You can see it from here as well. Quite calm back there at 4 jacks. Might be everyone is literally at the beach. Oh wow, the sign over there even says 37 degrees. Oh, we just dropped back to 36. That doesn't matter. That's at all. Loads of leaves on the pathways, by the way. Good thing people are trying to keep it clean, but of course there's many more to come down. Strip, the Square, Silver City Bar. As I said, I want to check out the beach, so let's head there. Get across the road. By the way, if you like these vids, definitely hit that like button. Greatly helps me promoting it towards more people here on YouTube. And do subscribe if you want to see more. I've arrived at Levante Beach. You can see the boat heading towards the island already in the distance. Just behind those people over there. I'll show you a better look. Yeah, there we are. Beautiful out here. Nice and calm as well. The boat heading for its trip towards the island. I think it's quite hot over there on the island when you arrive there. I believe there's hardly any shade in just one bar. Oh wow, there's definitely a nice breeze over here. Helps to keep you cool. It is quite empty as well. So it's definitely nice and calm. Let's have a look which flag is out today and how busy it is at the main bars over here. Cayman and Tiki Beach are coming up. Oh, in the distance can see the yellow flag. Must have been from the wind. It does provide quite some waves over at the beach shore. It's very calm, yeah. Love this actually. It's definitely a nice change from the constantly hordes of people that are over here. The bars. Full enough for a nice atmosphere, but still plenty of space for everyone. Tiki Beach. People having a great time. Definitely some nice wind blowing, nice breeze. And a beautiful day, and if the week goes like this, it's lovely out here. Not such a high crowd level. But we could get a better look at tonight, how it is going. As at night everyone goes out. And then it will be much, much busier usually as well. But we're gonna find out how that will go. Oh wow, it's even possible to sit front seat over there on the beach if you still want some space left. On the right there as well. That definitely has been a while since that was possible. It was even so crazy sometimes that people were at 7 to put up their chairs already and their own lounges to be at the front for the rest of the day. Yeah, those things you usually only see at hotels and resorts. Oh wow, the wind is really picking up. And it's not just that bit over there where it's very calm. Over here as well, still plenty of space left. Probably in the corner near the bars over there, like Stag and Pheasant. Rika's bar is much busier, but that is always the case. Even in winter periods, it's busier over there. But it is currently 35 degrees and the sun is really scorching. So I'm not gonna stay out longer, I'm gonna head back inside. Go and nicely cool down. It's the hottest time of the day right now, around 3:30. It is. Thank you all for watching. Definitely make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It does really help me out. And hope to see you next time. Bye bye.